presenting the Ford 2017 Mustang EcoBoost Premium. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, AM/FM stereo with single CD player, radio data system, Sirius XM radio, Sync 3 communications and entertainment system, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.